Welcome to the Culture Convo podcast, the upcoming of greatness. Dango.
Welcome to the freshest podcast in SA right now. I'm your host, Miss B, the sweetest and fabulous honeybee with the sweetest news, and I'm sweeter than honey itself. I'm also the sweetest and hottest
in the beehive.
Okay. I am the hottest bee in the beehive. Okay, nonetheless, I am here with my partner in crime, Miss Mercy.
Synovia Mercy, you do the problematic mom. The only lady who got plenty of ginger. I saw Nathan.
Nathan unengxaki besichido so Nathan
ngomwela but it's fine
ndikwele Miss Ginger
so mina to sell gum so but just call up but yeah now I'm not alone. I'm with Cutie Pie, the top dog.
Everybody come as Nathan Makubali.
Iyo le address isiyazi
Ngephi niyazi
right namhlanje
okay but it's fine and niyabona mos besides that we have Mr. Jack in the background today.
Yes.
Mr. Jack.
Hi Molweni.
How are you?
Sharp,
yeah. Yenza your intro.
Okay, there's no Jack but different versions and represent Dave.
Yes, Jack. Thank you. Now the episode can properly start because the big dog has spoken. Yes,
the big dog.
Yeah, the big dog. Top dog and the big dog. Top dog, big dog. And niyabona sinobuso obuhle. Obuhle because uthe ushatile.
Yep.
Sinobuso fresh.
Yep.
Obungaqhelekanga. Right here next to me.
Yebo.
Siphethe Mr.
Frank SA.
Frank. Okay. So akakhatalwa. Okay, utsho naye Frank SA.
Yeah.
Mhlambe nizawulazi igama lakhe le-ID as the episode goes. And yeah, but I'm here to say we are proudly sponsored by Nature Plan Water, Baza Photography, Isithebe Senjoli, Privileged Lifestyle, Kaya Kulu Forum House, and Mqothwa Residence. And rent is due. But ke asikho
Hey, I can go.
But asikho lapho.
Yeah.
As usually the episode is like qalaba. How are you? Right? Mr. Frank, you are a watcher.
No,
I did see how are you, ne? Ngicela kumbuzo wami sidla ngoqala. This is tradition ba wonke umuntu simbuza impilo before sibuze ke ngokunabani na bakwenzeka ngobomi babo, right? So Miss Mercy.
Yes, baby.
How are you, my love? Obyang.
As you can see, I did okay. I'm very fine. Feeling cute as always. I'm cute. I'm feeling fine. I'm feeling fresh.
Can I be your nai today?
Nai,
you be my nai.
Asikho lapho.
Okay. Mr. Jack, how are you in the back?
Yeah, I'm the sharp bombo grand man. Akhonti ngakho nikhale nganto.
I
think so. Ngiyawave I'm cruising.
Oh, yeah, wave.
Yes.
Mr. Top Dog, how are you?
Pushing
P. Yes.
Nathan.
Ne, because you are the goists of the family.
The podcast.
But you go kakhulu kunami yena.
Yeah, go. Chomi, you've been going since episode 2.
Yo.
Imagine 21 go.
21. Every episode go this way.
From 2.
Life. But I'm going.
I'll go namhlanje.
No.
Okay, good. How are you, Mr. Frank?
The right man, guys, the right, but Monday it's Monday.
Monday.
Yeah.
Monday.
Monday it's Monday.
Hey.
Asiphangile singomahlanje. And ke ngokuba ngumahlela lokusifosa kubasepha but ke it's fine.
Uyaphi ngo?
Siyabuzwa ke basisela njani singomahlalela.
Ebhotleni. Kaloku mina can I say as umahlalela ne? Since I don't have a stable 9 to 5, I do work with my hands and not the bad kind of work with your hands. I braid, I crochet,
okay.
I sew. I do a lot of things with my hands, but not the bad kinds. Right.
Thina sisela nge-350 ke.
Thomas asifuma 350. Ifuma 350.
Because I've been declined. I don't know. Akaveli, bro. I'm just like another source of income. I'm like, even the Sasa does not use my account. He uses Mama's account.
I've
not been getting my 350 since 2020 something. I could say okay.
Since last year, Tom. Hey, since last year October. Until Ronyaka go May.
Taiwan.
Mamela ndayifumana go kaloku zihambe kahle ngoMay ne. Ezifumana ngoJuly.
Ufumene i1 qha ufumene ngazona zanyanga.
July. Qha. And then ngala August. Kangena la SMS kumba izo graduate. Hayi ke wanthini. What
uyavuya ya decline.
Kwathi uyavuya wena.
Ya graduate.
Kwavela NSFAS kwavela yonke ngikona hayibo.
Bakwenza But for let to graduate.
Ngiyaqala nje uvuya and Tommy ndageza nyanga ngoku ndifuma iqonda ndizibanza nemali zami. Ndageze ekhaya Tommy andagezelwa sana.
Kanti sorry man.
Ayimosha ngogeza kokwenu.
Tommy ndayimosha ngogeza.
Bavela baphinda bamsukile lapha kulandawo.
It's fine. It's fine.
Mr. Frank, how are you?
Ubuzo wesingabo.
Awunjani Frank?
No like unjani
like the right guys.
Bese ndibuze. Oh, I'd be fine otherwise. I'm good.
Yeah, and the grand man guys.
Yeah.
Okay guys. Sine odoku musibona as a guest yethu. And before like siqala show usually siyabuza ba odoku yethu ba
kubani
wapi. So Mr. Frank sicela uchazela abahlali ba Frank ngowapi ukhulelephi kwathi
ngathi igama lakho Frank.
Yebo khona abantu abangamazi.
Ngathi kanti i pseudonym.
Yabo sifuna ukwazi nje ngawe yabo. So yeah.
Yeah guys, nguLiam igama lami. Then second name yami nguFrank. Ngaphi nibuza ba uFrank uvelaphi. It's my second name lukhona 18.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's Frank. Cool.
Yeah.
I thought Nuzithile because baniso Frank aphethe mas. And nonke ningo Franklin.
I know Franklin no Frank.
Just Frank.
Just like Miss Author that we had with the yena pseudonym go wang Frankie. She said Frank is a bit too masculated. So waqonda makai yenza feminine.
So Nuzithile.
Yeah, Nuzithile, yes.
Oh. Yeah. Frank. Okay.
Yeah, otherwise guys ndazayolebhayi man.
Port
Elizabeth. Yeah, then I moved Timbaza 2019 December. Yeah, 2019 December. Then yeah, ichenya ngoba ngu-DJ yaqala lapho ke 2019 December. Yeah.
Ukhula kwakho ufuna like uba ngu-DJ or
ngangafuna uba ngu-DJ, yabo, ukhula kwami. Ndandifuna uba yi-chef. Yabo. Yeah. But ke ekambeni kwendlela wethu, yabo, nda-interested kwinto yoku-DJ. I think ndandikwi-party ye-best friend sister yami, yabo. Then wabe ku-DJ abantu phaa. Then nda-interested kula way, yabo. Ba okay, how about le way ndizame man, yabo, because ka-DJ ngumuntu uyaphakama, so ngumuntu kuba mnandi kujonge wena, yabo. Ndiyaqonda yeah man, how about ndizame le way. Cha ndayixela umama yo yaqala phi ingxaki. Wathi hayi ingqondo zami ziyanishiya. Abenza yena uyithatha ngalani ba
it's a hobby.
Yeah. Ngaphandle kwaloo nto it's dangerous la way. Uhambe ebusuku okanye zawe ya. So yena uyithatha ngalandlela engeunderstand ba asifana abafana uDJ umzekelo, yabo. Yeah. So yeah yaqala lapho lo hlobo thum njengoba ngu-DJ then yeah saphusha siyazama.
So zeziphi like i-challenges ozifaceleyo kule craft yakho?
Uningi man uba ukubetray ngo-DJ.
How do you mean about betray ngo-DJ? Kaloku inabise chomi
kaloku chomi yabona kwi-music industry ne ka ngu-DJ you have andifuna uthi friends ne but abantu osebenzisana nabo that's how you survive kule industry uyabo ubetray kanjani. I can't book you wena umzekelo sisuka from the dust when ibekwa lo hlobo oko sasiphusha sonke then when you move to andithethi ngamntu apha ndiyenze clear angingandithethwa ngumntu yabo
it's fine
then wena ka uye let's say ubook ishow kuloo ndawo
outside
kuloo ndawo then ubad mouth
indawo lokudlala kuyoqala
yabo so betrayal number 1 number 2 having even organizers isingekho organized I feel like those challenges in this face ile ngoku now
yo damn it.
So in the event organizers part, have you tried to approach other people so as to see how can you make your events better, or have you tried to listen to a crowd of people who will like actually say abangakoyikiyo like umuntu ongakoyikiyo like uJekati, hey Frank, I felt like even the Tile Yako was a bad move due to timing or due to this and that.
Ndiyayenza loo nto mama before ndiplan even in the event ngiqale njonge abantu like i-response yabantu bayithini abantu baseleka intoni yabo so ndiyenza each and every time loo nto but ke even the event chom you never know by success okanye by flop
yabo how to like I know that
so
rush
good fashion nikusuvalo kuthiwa DJ bafumana nayiphi igela abayifunayo kuwe nawe uyenza loo nto
eyibiyona
like there's a stereotypical thing that DJs can get any girl okanye as survive relationships because kaloko mhlawumbe umuntu wakho imama sendlini right wena you're playing this set mhlawumbe eZaza Beach and then there's this fine looking mommy that is there eZaza Beach and then damn I can't miss my sights on that like izinto mhlawumbe DJ abazenzayo manyani na ezo okanye it's just abo nabo abamoshela nina ke ngoku ningo DJ abalandelayo
yazi into zenzekayo ziyachomi yami to be honest almost each and every
club siyakhona ke ngoku siyenzeka
anothi ndiyazenza chomi yami ne but zakhe
zenza
okay uphendlekile ke ntombi
akolebenza ibuza bandilibele ngo Nathan do you have anything in mind ayicinga nje mzodi qho
sayicinga question
okay
but ngidona kwenza uhluke kwabanye DJ abakhona apha
makes you unique
kumculo endidlalayo chomi yami ne vibe eninikeza lebantwini yabo ndikubekele njani lento ndakhe kwi DJ competition I think it was 2020 and 2021 ekoneni no I think nana no option ngalanyaka yabo phana kwakukho unikezele points pha yabo cha ngisazikhumbula encame ezinye but ndabamba la abona ka ungu DJ ufuna kumove ne crowd man yabo umzekelo ibakhona lanto kube kukhabantu eza sing alongs abantu bathanda ucula nawo ngokwenza uthi umzekelo ndidlala ingoma emnandi bandakwenza umuntu abecula pha ube wena unguthinzile
yabo awukwazi lokho what you mean
so into different nami mina walo hlobo ndiyana sino hlobo like I feel like ndinizama uba ne connection nabantu
that's good and kumnaka I want to ask you ba the ask who has been like your biggest musical like inspiration influence like who influences like your sound Kimang
Oskambo like akomnwayazi yona
I said I don't know
Amagada Oskambo muto
seriously
too much like music awudlala style sakhe lifestyle ephilayo like
wait did you say Oskambo it's Oscar MBO
Bandi
Oscar MBO
ku MBO
awuzasixakekisa Oskambo chomi lo akhala kuluhlobo wal representa ngalo kula interview
ku Oscar MBO guys
okay
please pronounce that right that's like mispronouncing udlala Tuxin what do you mean like hayibo
Kubani dlala Tuxin
haye kan
sifubiza singajanyelwa bethu nani kubani
uTuxin
guys.
But that's even not emculweni.
Emculweni ngalokho, but when you pronounce
Gala
it,
Tuxin.
Tuxin dude.
Niyathanda.
Tuxin.
Niyathanda guys.
Tuxin.
Guys, ninasho emqolo mna nobuna niqhoba impama uTuxin. Umbo.
It's fine ngalokho guys, ngalokho ilena kuthiwa there's
and
no
uyasilungisa
school.
ngaba DJ sithi Oscambo yo wena njala Tuxin la Tuxin yeah.
I'm sorry guys, but okay, sorry.
Yes, that's the question.
I man.
Like, what's the wildest thing? If
Oh!
DJ Mus, you're cute and all that stuff. And don't the wild they can. You fan.
Check.
No, asking Guma Mekaya, but like,
but also this is an interview, and that thing happened in the past. Don't you know sensitive, Mama Kai?
Yeah.
Guys, man. Like uma mekhaya ungena buye wonke le interview ngam apha ingam akho ndiyokhala apha khani like ngizama urecalla yabo.
Oh
yeah, kufumana kiss man during set.
Double is in the chat.
Do you mind saying
andizombiza
Ungavumi.
Kimang Wamang?
Uyazazi yena.
Double is in the chat.
Okay. But yeah, okay, on top of the wild thing, ne?
yeah.
Did you ever have to do a wild thing for a gig?
Mm.
Oh no, ne?
Yeah,
you're lucky, ne? You're busy.
Yeah.
DJs are out here doing wild things to
yeah, ingqala lo Chomi yami ibethe ngxaki yabo. Yami ikubethe la.
Okay.
Because uzaqhumika kulamntu.
Yeah.
And social media mazi ke social media njani.
Social media has nothing to do with this. They give you bums and you just give me a kick.
Dude. Mr. Jack.
Mr. Jack?
MC.
Yes, okay.
I'll relate to the go to the check.
Tell her this was a relate. Hey. But I relate next. But it's useless into your sacrifice, your dignity and stuff. Your pump virginity. Your pump virginity and stuff. Come on, Bianca.
I'm asking a question.
Okay, it's fine. If pumps good, zifana nelinduka gun.
But if China is not dignity.
Oh, I need papasha.
Isolezo.
It's fine.
Yafunda nje ugqitha.
But
and utsho nje.
Titi, into endithethayo is that if virginity does not
and so
yayiva.
virginity virginity. Titi, if vagina does not only is not only a woman's dignity. It's not that. Like, get with the times, guys. If vagina, it's your thing, it's your body part. You choose what to do with your vagina. It's the vagina.
Yeah, I get you.
Iyafana nani ngiyakwazi uhamba nisebenzisa but akho ukuthi isidima sakho. Nambe nifaka nasezidofini ezirongo but akho ukuthi charger. But it's fine.
Isitofu.
it's fine.
It's fine. Don't isitofu.
Aye.
It's the vagina galoko. It's another word for a vagina. Obviously niyayazi bakuthethwa ngantoni. Exactly. A vagina.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay,
Mr. Jack is
yes, it is fine.
Is at home.
Mr. Frank, I'd like to take you back
to
I'm not quite sure which year. I think it's 20. I'm not quite sure but whereby you said you were dropping Ilenduk a 3-step mix tape.
Oh.
Which year was it?
2023, ne? 24, 2023, yeah, 2023.
Yes. So
I think so. 2024.
Okay. So Kamala, it was Whispers in the Wind. Can you tell us about that one?
Yo, check.
Let Mr. Check.
That's check.
That's check for you.
That's check.
Resources. I can't refill my resources.
Yeah.
Like nabona la mixtape.
Yes.
The ingoma ezingazwayo ngabantu. Yabo.
Yeah.
ungazwayo ngabantu it's ingoma ze underrated DJs okanye producers uyabo.
Yes.
So la whispers it's like I'm telling you banansi ingoma mamela le ngoma iba interested kule way uyabo. So la whispers wangena la hlobo ta.
Okay. So ilinduka yaphuma kwi platform.
Ikhona ku Mediafire ku Heart This but ayikho ku Spotify. I think ikhona ku YouTube. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Frank. And it was on the 17th, otherwise you said it was going to drop. Being 17 October 2024. Yes.
Imake ngoku uya ku profile yomntu.
Uyambo?
Then you
Central.
Yeah.
Ufika njani ku 2024?
Nexesha.
Sikoyikisa abantu bazoditha izinto. Mr. Frank.
Ivapa. Asiba serious bra.
Serious.
Hayi, ngiyisa nami ngokungathi uzabuza mina.
Noba ufika ku 2024. Ku October.
Uyaka ka 2012.
Imagine siku October, that's already been a year.
Yes.
A year's worth of posts.
Ndithe so.
Damn.
But Mr. Frankman, I'm very interested in the Frank's entertainment groovy
experience.
Yeah, experience. Can you tell us about Londo izenjani and all that?
Ube umbuzo wami ke. But it's fine.
Sorry.
Kubi nguwe chom.
Okay.
La concept Mr. Checkne, I was trying to find a way yoba different. Okay. Industry kwafuneke abantu babe ne memory about into yenza ifuna kube different.
Yes.
Umzekelo andi shame event ezabantu umzekelo party kabani like into seyisemlonyeni umzekelo ngoku. Each and every year wonke DJ bani party kanjoni party. So ayibikho Kesh lawe so funeka ube yayinicingayo. Yayinicingayo ibeke necala nayiyo. Uyabo? So lelo hlobo loba different bani. Uyabo? Then la groovy it's yayambona umuntu abamazi Oscar baza understand. So yasuka kula way.
Nina la groovy ningo DJ.
Only DJs that are inspired by
Oscar.
So okay.
Yeah. Then experience.
Okay. I get you.
Okay. So
is that okay? It's fine.
Okay, can you tell me about business with Elenduka, meaning your Eplo house with 1,000? Is it 1,000 memories?
1,000 memories.
I thought like it's a thing, it's Eplo house, is a kakuhle. Can you tell us about that?
Abo Mr. Check ndukwenze lo impendulo yami belula ta yabo.
Yeah.
Ndandingekabikho hands on kwinto zo organize events Eplo house kela xesha.
Okay.
So I background yalanto bayiqale njani kwathini andiyazi.
Okay.
Yabo, yeah.
So wafika wena.
So what did for viewers ke ngoku eziyaziyo okanye for our non-groovists, right?
Yes.
Can you explain the concept of Eplo House Tavern and the 1,000 Memories thing? What was so special about that type of groove?
But I think Utiena during that time so he doesn't
know kwenza ntoni.
So you haven't even experienced one event up or been a 1,000 Memories and you guys in collaboration with them?
Ndanikhona ku line up
as a DJ.
But ku planning ku planning yayo ngoba kuza kwenzeka
ntoni. No, like it's from a person. I don't think I've experienced Leyo mna.
1,000 Memories.
Yes.
I think you have. Wangayazi by 1,000 Memories.
Awukhona. Ndiya last year ne?
Yeah,
I think last year. Yeah, I think last year.
Then met after the pandipete ichilas pa.
Yeah.
It was
wawukhona man, wawukhona.
Oh, okay.
Performer no bangu hash. Yeah, no,
wawukhona. I was
like
event. Okay. So Lena for our non-groovers.
Mthongo ku profile yami check. Yo hayi lo naye awuna peace in fact, awuna peace.
For our non-groovers ne. Like that 1,000 Memories affair sounds like a very nice setup type concept yabo. Sort of someone who has experienced even Kaputera ban Sunset Socials. Yes, like color parties but I was not old enough sadly to attend eziya zakhe because ke bekusambo sisibethu osisiphathiswa amagongo abantu nice you know bona bajonga bikhala party nyani bekumnandi but ke naked parties I was also very underage lento bezaya kuyo ba when are you hosting a naked party
say naked party nje already
Intoni
naked party already
but
naked party to me it's a different concept ne a naked party is you bring bikinis swimwear like into is nice yebo
bayathanda ufisha nyani aba
floatable swimming pools ezizimpontshwayo
Frank ungayenzi
imagine uthi swimming pool p abethi mbasa
yayikhona no yebona ndawo le ishandisi ngoku
yami ishandisi
le ndawo ishandisi yayindawo ehostelwa kuyo kwakubakho
i-American
kubekho i-floatable like eza izimpontshwayo iganzi zeplastic
kaloku abantu bakho back isho abanjani ngamanzi
Tommy
abantu bakho back batheni abantu bakho back batheni producer please this one
and ithatha kucamera ithethe ecamereni asowathekiwe nguleti
already
Jonga if igwaleli nje ngicela uxolo mina kangithethe
on behalf of abantu bakho back ngihlala ko level I have no beef with abantu bakho back nabantu basePola Park.
First of all, Nimtaka.
What I like, it's on camera. Otherwise, Miss B.
But I man turn ndio go back iplos go back. What?
Manje abantu bathanda ba.
Bathanda.
Nalo ndibuza a naked party okanye a sexy car wash party. When are you guys hosting it? Because that would be very for me concept wise. I'm a 2K would appreciate that. Because these girls have body for days and it's tea. And it's tea. Ngizana mihleba phandle.
Dog.
Boni bikini boni emaqhenqa emvana. Oh damn.
Ebechila kama ndo Nathan wathi naba akho need ye naked party. Amaqhenqa ngibona unnecessary.
Aninxibisa kuthiwa kuyabanda.
Ewe noma sekunetha.
Hayibo.
Achu. Awungazikhuphi receipts, there's nothing to hide from.
Akona ngizazikhupha but hayibo abantu abanxibisa kubanda nje so akho
Tommy, I wear like a groove. For me, a comfortable way is something that I can dance and it's breathable and it's short. Right?
Yeah,
like a skirt, shorts, a dress, you know, engaka. Ndiyakwazi ujive and polile. I can't need your man bente fit groove. A sexy bikini ndondon or a naked party is just me and bathing. That's where you're not wearing anything. Me, yes. I would because I do have it bikini online.
I get Tommy amidimbaza man. Sikhona izinto nozenza but ufuna ukuqala ucinge ba uzenze idimbaza.
But ingxaki nabo abaya babe hosted the first naked party they took a risk edimbaza.
Kodwa kwakugcwele sho.
And kwakugcwele and abantu bebenze imizimba.
Umzekelo kwakunini ngoko.
I'm sure it's been like 6 to 7 years ingasazi.
Yabo. Umzekelo idimbaza idimbaza ngoko enye into.
Kokudimbaza shut down.
First on guys
like
kwakusafe and stuff.
La nto ngokusisidinewo phofu ba wayinokwazi usuke ethembisa apha hlala khona aye pha ehotel kwi street bash.
Yabo phiwe akusekho kwa hotel.
Hayi wena
ufuna ngeze kusisike.
Singenaphi?
Akusekho kwa lo hotel.
No hayi wena ustaudisha.
But I have a really
really
interesting question, Mr. Frank. Miss Bianga did mention about even Kalapati and Papa we're fortunate enough we have umdu that once took part and again DJ Kalapati 2024 29 March that was hosted by Sunset Socials. I have two questions based on Land. Number one, can you tell us about the event about living Kalapati? How was the experience?
Hey, check. Tufake sinqakile mfana. Very nice man. yabo from my side yabo nice success yabo but still ababedimaza awukwazi ukwenza event ube namatikiti nazo into ebethayo kube kukho ezinye events ezingo free entry Moses Square.
Okay, cool.
Yabo and ngala weekend ke kwakukhona intende pha. So
competition.
Free entry ticket.
Oh damn.
Ofethu uzawubhadala ticket le 100 rand phinda kangene nekhula box bhadala 150.
Oh serious?
250 leyo soyikhuphe le short and dash yayo
siqale.
Yabo.
It's diabolical, man.
So yeah, kwakho abantu man badala. So yeah.
But at least gig at the end of the day.
And as long as you get paid, you just play and shut up and leave.
And also I said masukuthi maybe ni kwakulombuzo yi1. So can you tell me about a relationship between you and Sunset Socials? Injani?
Lamchita.
No, pendula Frank uzoyazi.
Cheka yiko ngakilaka.
No, the thing is, Mr. Frank, I'm trying to clear izinto apha because I do believe ukuthi DJ I did see ukuthi bazama uhlangana no DJ. But and
yeah, ibikhona chomi yami but
was it a once off thing or
ngaphandle kwento ngaphandle
relationship yakho neSunset Socials ime down. Was it once off? Was it ngela xesha engalo or now you just decided to just part ways?
Yeah, yamoshakala chomam ne. Yamoshakala to the point ba sibe ne discussion okanye agreement yabo then kubekho izinto ezihamba uqalana la agreement yet. So yeah, it's ayisekho ngoku.
Thank you my lord, no further questions.
Pendula. So when sithingane mna
your question was
guys memorize bandilibele le question yakho
sedilibele nam
sedilibele ngento ya once off.
Oh yes, bebuza about indibano the
indibano leyo DJ was it a once off thing okanye ngela xesha loba caba hi guys must thethe lento and then clear the air and then ke mhlawumbe lana ba bizwe family meeting intervention yakuthiwe intervention for ubani akeva phezulu
yayingeyonto
intervention okanye yayinto ongoing.
It's ongoing nangoku Jomi yami.
Ne.
Yeah, it's ongoing nangoku. But
nice. So what is the
challenges?
What are the objectives of that nina as a DJs bani bene association yenu, like intone bangela ba nibe phaya and do you see bani ngane way forward okanye?
Into yasenza chong bekholano ne etimbaza kukhabantu bambala abantu basetimbaza yabo and itaverns lapha zininzi so uba uzawukhetha and isonke sifocuse ku weekend ezifanayo umzekelo ba kuthiwa i-weekend enkulu nge-25 each and every event is a make sure but there's an event so banizawutsalela abantu bam ngapha kube khabatsalela abantu ngapha yabo. So saqonda how about sisijoine thina as DJs yabo kubekho a certain weekends ezenzekayo yabo qha yama yafela chumam because of reasons yo kaphandle ko competitions man.
Okay,
it's individuals
so kwezi DJs ezalapha eKasi you have abo Black Ivory, you have abo Terra, Luya, Nozulu, Loyiso Junior. There's a lot of DJs, guys. We have a lot of DJs at Timaza, like 1,000. That's called sharp and neat.
Abaninzi abanye ndiva bothuka nobothuka chuma. Yeah. Uvele ubone hayibo.
Nozincomo ndiyambona ingathi uzaba ngu-DJ very soon, but okay, it's fine. So which DJs do you prefer working with and why? Pick us.
Yeah.
Slap.
Timbona kwa i1 kwaba bantu bakhethileyo. Khona i1
unabantu bakhe ne. And no benzenza umzekelo for the viewers ba etimaza like ngobani DJs apha etimaza esizaziyo and also who are like noko man noko including yena.
Sathi ngobani nzima ngizakucinga DJ ngaba nisebenza nabo kuqala Pipe Laws. Xevo no Quincy no Zulu Ted.
Okay.
Yeah, Ted.
Yabo.
Yeah.
Manqale kulofo then benguluyanda. Nizanilwisa kanjani?
Ayilwisi lento.
Akambizi lo ndimcingela kuye qa.
Okay.
Benguluyanda. Elendwana uTipos.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then bengubani omnye uLoyiso.
Yeah.
Ku Black Ivory uVandal.
I keep meeting this Vandal, yes?
Utija abarakaxhabakanga ku-events alapha eTimbaza
Yeah.
outside.
I keep hearing about this.
Then it's Hyperphonic.
Speaking of Hyperphonic.
Sunqama. Ngublazer.
Okay.
Yeah,
but speaking of Hyperphonic, right? Hyperphonic Mos is now I think well-known DJ. He has made his mark in the music industry. How was it playing alongside him for his album launch?
Damn.
On the 29th of June. I think it was this year. Was it this year, Mr. Jack? Confirm, please.
And your last year?
I think last year.
Last year. I too much man. Ingxaki yabona Hyperphonic ngula DJ umculo wakho different. Une style sakhe esicacayo. You could hear a song. Yabo ungavi ba ngubani producers as behind this song. But uzasiva isa style oqonde noba kunothiwani. Hyperphonic ukhona apha. Yabo. So as much as abantu bengayimamela i3 step, umzekelo i3 step isandoba
famous.
Shushu kakhulu this year.
Yeah.
Last year wakwazi launch album. Enengoma ze3 step. Yabo. And yayi too much la event mama.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wadlala Bloom Show. Is it Bloom Show?
Yes, it's Bloom Show.
Bloom Show after party on the 4th of May. How was that?
Khangela fails zakho.
Cinga.
Last year ne?
Yes. Okay, skipha amafayela la.
Ndine wari namfona ndingayiphethe abenza ukhangela nje.
No, skipha amafayela la.
Uthi wena.
Yayise Bloemfontein ne?
Yes, it's the Bloom Show after party 4th May.
I think I remember I posted on there.
Basement Biz Cafe.
Oh, a basement leko lo hlobo. Yeah. Nervous chomi ngala mean.
Yeah.
I think I show you yesibini if not yesithathu if not yokuqala but this is lapha ekuqaleni Bloom yabo. Then say nervous lo hlobo but they too much man. Enye the crowd ayifani yabo. Umculo othandwayo ngabantu awufani and napha usebenzisa language different so I had to find a way ndifumane umculo engqondo yeah.
This one can match. Also, side note, Mr. Spicy, the groovy master himself, also played in that show.
Wow.
I think that's a back to back for the event.
Yeah, when I know Spicy.
Yeah, it's a back to back.
That's nice.
Yeah. So okay guys, slapang. Mr. Jack.
Do you think since nakadlala back to back na Spice, do you think a duo between the night two inga ntswembu? And also since he inspired by one DJ, don't you think somehow?
Wait, Spicy is inspired by Oscar.
That's why I've been sitting. Why no coffee?
Oh.
So since
guys na long.
Ndiyayazi
Go
check lo mbuzo wazandibuza ndiyawuvubuya phi.
So yeah, don't you have like some kind of beef since nini inspired by umntu oyi-one nidlala umculo oyi-one?
Why should they be beef? Okay.
I'm trying to find out long. Yeah, of course. Yeah.
Nah, akho beef chomam ne because umzekelo mna noyamkela. Spice kaloku yamkela.
Betana bizana abantu bekamagama babo.
Kaloku mna ukuhlobe nembiza ngalo yamkela. Alikhela lanto uthi Spicy.
It's fine.
Ewe, umzekelo naye akathi Frank essay uthi Frank. Yabo. Nami ndiyamkela kanti mbiza. Akho beef wena Mr. Jack.
Yes.
Yabo because umzekelo eBloom safika uyamkela I feel like wahlala before mina ko diploma but uhlobo esasebenzisana ngalo to push mna naye kwi clubs na kwi taverns zapha sas approacha umuntu oyi1 sihamba sobabini okay Fruitman Dungu Frank Spice uyabo sisuka endaweni ethile uyabo singo DJ sizana le offer kanye sizocela le favor uyabo so luhlobo sazibeka ngalo thina emakeni pha eBlom uyabo so aniboni reason noba kubekho ibeef okanye
seeing that DJs is alapha
yasebenzisana
is very nice incinci
andingilofuna better nomnye
whereas and he did mention in a certain his episode in the podcast he said a lot of DJs have a pride and attitude towards each other, whereas we could just come together and make something beautiful and then that's it. We don't have to have beef, guys.
Kushiyana amaxesha chomi nanzi ingxaki kushiyana amaxesha i-new gen ne-old gen khona apho ingadibani yokhona
okay
yabo
and I feel like because basically I feel like old gen somehow
does not want to accept
that ukuthi kuchintshile amacassette
yebo xesha liyashiya shoma
wave ngolonye hlobo
so okay saying that now you had your own events
let me keep no
no
ndayicinga chomi lento ba bikhe ya discuss lento but anzochaza bangani why DJs zidlala set A1 guys we need to dance to Afrobeats we need to dance to ezingoma zo Megan man we can't keep dancing to igqom okokoko igqom A1 konde iyandina lengoma who
DJ Lungisa on the desk
but he plays one set though
but
no comment
bike poster I think uTimbaza news ne ungafuna utshintsha chomi yam
aninahlala phansi nithi Tommy sicela
kudala
oh no
kudala chomi wolungisa usebizwa nguJack ke kudala esadlala eBlue House like we had to force ulungisa umniki USB nalo playlist bafondini dlala le way but ulungisa ngilungisa
and akafuna utshintsha you can't help him not utshintsha
yabo
okay
enye into
makangadlaliswa ke
o DJ anzobiza gama yazazi bakhona o DJ choma bafuna udlala icrowd benikhe ndayibuzwa lo nto ngumuntu ndikwatawo ba u DJ bani ngophi kanye lo mculo udlalayo
uyaxuba yena
uyaxuba
ngifuna ubuza lo nto bakunyezekile kuqhuthiwe
uyadlala 3 step uyadlala gqom
what is your
genre
I think abakhona into benjani
I think
ukhona
sokuthi ebekhona ukhona
like
sizokwazi ukubiza
uyaxuba ufuna lani ba icrowd ukuthiwe ebekhona ebedlalela kanti ayincede lanto
but yeah I think it worked guys because well isn't gonna okay ngicela kudlule kuye kwenye ngoku
yabo uphinda ubuyela kulanto ubuyithetha uDJ odlala umculo
yeah
ikusebenzela xesha awuzuya ndawo nalanto umzekelo uyafumana umuntu okumamele from outside you never know ezinye event organizer chom ngasuka umuntu emonti we-event organizer sezaza beach azovela eBlue House afika ahlale cha angazichazi noba ungubani then amamele yaxuba wena awufumani booking ngala
whereas just stick to one genre and then
because ekugqibela ngalokho I feel like nalabo iqala senza i-bookings wena Mr Frank umuntu umzekelo ndiyafika nguJack did know mina ndidlala ingoma zika Scott Maphuma la tempo ka Scott Maphuma do you get me now ndlenze badlala la tempo ka Scott Maphuma the hour yam there's Mr Frank odlala i3 step mama odlala iafro no now xa njika mina ndidlala ndifike kuna ndidlala
udlala ntoni wena
uve ngosesingala uvalo ngoma ndiphinde ndibe ndidum somehow
also like kaloku the thing is why we're complaining is that fine Mr Lungisa ini chomi yethu hayibo lela gama lakhe singakwazi
Oh damn. Okay.
kuye lo
Alaqabetha la gama.
Alaqabanisa la gama.
Gama lona.
Hayi.
Udlala iseti A1, right? Because it's what he's comfortable. Uyanqena ukuzibuka uzibeka out there. He's afraid of taking a risk. But Lando ba he's afraid of taking a risk is also costing him in a way ba Tina si yo don't know the gama but ke siqhele uhamba phaya.
Yeah.
Yabo. You can't play me uKanye West keep rock when love knocks you down. Okobeni mamele
Last
go
week.
I
match.
remember Tommy. Adithi manje ndiqala uphuma mna nge9 kaAugust.
Yes.
Right? Yeah.
Go 9 kaAugust birthday ka Jack.
Nge9 kaAugust ndiqala uphuma pha. Qona enjoy
Yeah,
and I'm like
thina ke
yima
ukusimile
ndibona abantu mna. Ndithi kwenzeka ntoni?
siqhelile.
Ndaphinda ndayo kwesibini.
Sadlala la set.
udlalela yini
Okay.
And akanaxesha lena ulungisa.
Siphindile.
Saphinda saya ngomgqibelo. Iseyila set.
I'm like
Lelo ndithi mina
Ndiyambuza.
from March. Mina bengiqala umazi ngo-March this year.
Ndimbuzile
I'm
mina,
sorry.
Xolo.
Uwe Chomi. Bengiqala ukwazi mina ngo-March this year. One
Chomi,
Marcela for the
hamba.
whole month because that's my month. Go-April, still the same thing.
Uyafana Chomi lena ithetha ile ithethe kwaza comments zikadembaza news. Ba mention uDJ pha.
USB entsha. Then I dare you
Guys,
guys.
ndicela
Uzamnike USB uzakhutshelwa ngubani umculo.
nini?
Zayidi
Hey.
post ngibani wa mention lapha
Hayi wena.
Comments ya. Chomi.
Hayi wasibethisa wena.
Sibethisa wena.
Yabo like ba mention apha Chomi and babethola ngudo.
akabethelwa guys beka wanothusa the other day wadlala enye ingoma qona oh yes we told him
Badlala kayi-1 ke.
yadlala kayi-1
Nanso.
yadlala kayi-1
Unje like yena uyayazi crowd yakhe bawuthe Beyonce. Nizawusheka nina.
Vele sasheka.
asina choice
Because I'm not Beyonce ke.
but what we asked for now at Dimbaza, please can there be someone who knows how to mix Afro beats?
Because
Afro beats
yes please.
is Rema
Sezo ngoma
Burna
zile.
Omalay. No.
Omalay Olamide
But bakhona uDJ bakazozimixa la.
Ngobani?
Bakhona khona omnye
Frankie Dani.
Afro beats cho
wase amazi man uyoni.
but yamazo
Yeah,
baby
uyoni uyadlala ezangoma.
Uyazazi. So
you know noyithanda
I feel like oh my gosh, khona
Don't
enjoy
like
groove once oh god.
so but
Okay.
ke our requests
But,
siyacela
hey.
shall it be heard and
Big
done by someone out there who's
Hayi
a
but
listener, who's a
ngimkhangela
watcher
into edlala Afro
Sicela
beats.
i-Afro-
Ha ukhona Chomi.
Ndiyandicela
Khona
Sicela
plans.
nimzise.
Funeka simxelele uba siyaphuma akhangelela DJ.
Asweka.
Don't worry.
now uzakuma
I think
i-31st
November.
kaDisemba
Yeah.
by i-31st kaDisemba kubekho umuntu okwazi uDJ Afro beats because
Bikho no.
please
Seniye epapa ezilawo nge-29 November.
November.
Nizayeva ba.
Sunday.
Hey Ivalo.
hayi yena lo umhlaba wakhe Papi's Lounge Mr Jack
Umhlaba omtsha.
umhlaba wakhe nechomi
No,
zakhe
Mr.
zamanyana
Makanje.
nechomi zakhe zamanyana
Uyalila ke.
andiyalile
Oh shit.
Sorry. Don't worry.
wavele wandilaxaza
No, what's
xa ichomi yami yomqini but it's
Damn.
fine
Uhamba nabanye abantu.
hamba nabanye abantu
Fake friends.
mina amablessa
Benxibe all white.
understand umlindo namhlanje
Benxibe all white.
ndasheka babedimbasi
Uyayibona?
unani ukundikhwelisa
Uyayibona?
ebo lo mfana but it's fine man
Chongi.
moving forward to Mr. Fred. In 20
yo hayi mina bendithe ndizambuza nge-events zakhe
Yes.
but he hosted the vintage party and other events after that
When?
how
When?
last year right? You can
Last
check
year.
my
Let me be
records.
serious next week. Okay.
I can check my records I think on the
Bese ndirapha lo maxesha.
on the 28th
We
of
rap at
September,
home.
was
We
it
can
not-
enjoy-
Once upon a time.
was it not last year? The vintage party, yeah.
Performing
Like,
at all.
Last year,
It
last
was
year.
last year. Supported by DJ Frank, SA,
Webjin, eh?
which is you, Webjin Jr.,
Yeah,
DJ
come on.
Clevo.
Oh yeah.
Free cooler box, mind you, free cooler box. Yeah. So okay, wahosta lo event at your mom and other events that followed. What were the wins and the fails of your event, and what do you feel about ungayindona ungayilungisa ku events zakho?
Yabona le ndiqala kule vintage party yayifail ngoba eDimbaza Chomiko abantu balapha bafuna try something new.
Yeah.
Yabo. Because the concept enayicingayila I think andihleli no Taxevu hleli by tavern. Yabo. Si go through social media. Then sabona ndikhumula event yabo manje leyayenziwe kodwa but yayi outdoor event leya.
Yeah.
Yabo host le vintage party wonke umuntu like
ngathi ayibhag lo ndawo
yeah.
taking it back to the 80s.
Ile nje
Yeah.
yabo. So saqona how about si present le nto nje
Dimbaza.
khani waseDimbaza probably yami nami yi1 bayayazi angiqala uyithethe ngaphandle kwabantu Tom ku follow ish theme into yesiwe mina Tom yami ndincamile abantu bohlolo nangu all black lo wembala all black
And samnxiba shem all black thina.
Benza ungena niphela.
umuntu athi gqike nxibe lokho yakhe orange
Besimnxibile thina
Bantu
all
bako
black.
back.
babemnxibile
Kupha embilini yakho abantu back.
khona ingxaki
Khona ndikhondeza.
Bantu bako.
Khona okuzayo.
wayenechomi kaloku phako back
Engibani?
Kaloku abeqale ngo-episode ngoba beqale nge-friendship
Mfaka zintoni ezi.
wayenechomi bakwaBheki that's why
sorry
bafuna ufuquka
Ukhala kaloku.
bendima sicela
Sam
khaninginikeni,
sufeketha.
Shem.
Sufeketha Sam. Sorry no. All
Abantu
of
inside ujabule.
Unsiki.
nari yango
Otherwise, Mr. Frank,
But
events zakho have been successful
In our
Ezinye
eyes.
in our eyes ezinye zibe lento sanoyithetha zibe
big.
successful.
yeah
But last year you did host Inkosi yaMandebele.
Nkosi yamandebele.
Inkosi yaMandebele. I do believe, please correct me. I said to be corrected ukuthi you broke a record of selling alcohol that day. In the event. I stand to be corrected again.
yenze
Tacho.
Yes. So
Dandikhona kulo event.
I there's a receipts.
Ndisena i-receipt yangalo mina.
But
Ndathenga
tell me,
wavuka Sunday yothenga utywala that's why uyazi
Tintsholo.
chi
Ndikhohlakele. What do you mean ndikhohlakele?
but Mr. Frank, tell me, man, how did you feel? Ukubona intente. I've been going intente. Fortunate enough, intente ayidala ndizihamba zona.
Akudala nyani Shem, siyakubona kweza pictures.
Ndiyavela shem chomi kweza pictures nyani.
But it's fine.
Ufake gloves.
Kunini ndihambi kaloku
Benze rapper la maxesha.
bese i-rap ngela xesha. So beperforma ichomi yami.
So Mr. Frank, tell me, man, how did you feel?
don't know about chomam because basically yabo intende amaxesha ayogcwala
Yeah.
okanye abantu ubona ba kuphela itafile kupha ngo9 10
Yeah.
yabo ungona abantu babasanda phuma ezindlini omzekelo qebile upheka kokwenu yaphuma uzententeni ela xesha wabethu 7 bra
Abantu sebepha.
senze decoration etsayiqiba ngo 5
Yeah.
yabo then waposta andithi Inkosi yaMandebele ngihambisela gama Inkosi yaMandebele ba useking abantu abengayibelieve la nto chomi yami yasi like abantu abaninzi bebengayibelieve oyacinga like it's a promo event
Clickbait.
Ne?
yeah bacinga i-promo event la way
Well,
until waposta I think around 2 p.m. kanye ngo-3 ulenda kwakhe apha ba touchdown King Williamstown I think wayi-40 no base abeko base futhi
yeah.
ngala weekend yeah
No Marvin.
waposta ba King Williamstown uyabo
Yeah.
umzekelo uqala ngo11 till
Yo.
1
Yo.
ngena i-messages abantu ba chomi inyani lento
Inyani.
chomi uyeza inyani lo muntu like ndaphela ngicela nefone chom ngalamini because ndithi kuphendula into enye oko uyayibona ipost nayo ipostile ku page yakhe why uzanibuza
I believe. Imani ingani abantu ophila amadlingozi.
yeah bakhe waza but yayi different I think yayi 16 December yena le kaphela
yeah,
manje
yeah.
kwazi.
Never had it on.
no salty
Kwakunetha ngalamini.
kwakunetha ngalamini
No.
no
Yo ndiyafuna uphuma but yo I can net.
no salty Yeah, ila event.
Wembe?
Salty Jan.
Oh, sorry.
Yabona le event iJackie. Kuwo wabethu 8 7 8. Kuphele itafile. Kala mini we ended up ukhupha sasanothenga ezinye umbrellas but sasingezafuma khona za umbrellas ezi sinala zingene etafileni kubona la tafile qhu yeah sasingekathenga eza tafile nje but esandofumana eza umbrellas sa end up sekhupha ezaway cause abantu wakhonda wohlala
jonga kumlesihleli ku camp chairs
kwaphela I think kwaphela ku MD futhi ngaphakathi sakhupha zonke itafile zazingaphakathi
sasithenga emotweni thina
Hayibi nice.
sasimane siyongena
Tommy yayi too much uthi siphuma table house netafile uyazi ba iodwe ngumuntu kwasentendeni ukhabafikayo bakelandela nale tafile i1
Kuko i-takes hamba abantwana bakwezindawo.
hey
Yabona namhlanje?
I mean I too much abetha yeah nanzi stress la event abethu 9 phoyilo zakhe lembo phone afika abantu xesha thayi relax awufika pha emaxesheni kwagcwala kwasesinyeke pha ngena abantu ku DJ booth chomiphi inkosi hey ndiphuma nongena eblause ndibana lo mntu inkosi ifika ngabani xesha kuneyatsho ngaba nenza inerves nyani
waqhitsha mikwathwana
awafona kaloba ola ndilapha yawayama nobase noma even bhenga la ola ndilapha phandle ndidayo okay ndiyeza ngale tax masame sikhoyo lomjida wathi phone nisaxakene nabantu because abantu abanye bafuna uhlala kwalapha stage ngoku
Kwakunzima.
iVIP le sasiyilungisile saphuma nje no tax 2 minutes kasibuya kula VIP silungiselo inkosi le kuhlela abantu Kanyanzekile nto bakhupha chom nabacenga kahle bachom zam ndanicela manje reserved le ndawo
bapu
kuthiwa chom isawuhlala phi
bazawuhlala
Didi but chom
alapha bayathatha belingazusuka she
but VIP chom ngaloko yabo
benzosuka xa ndibona bananzi inkosi
daphuma wathi ophuma emotweni uzakhe wahlika wakhoza yo phone ndizawungena phi ndidinye entrance ke pha ileya
ngibona nakwayengena
nathi makathwali hood cause wayinxibe icaps ndithom yam wena uzungena pha ithi le hood yakho ayithwala la hood kuzazokwazi ungena abanye abantu bamqaphela kayizangena ku DJ booth wow chomi nansi inkosi babheka abantu bazoma baphambi kwethu ngondithom sinqama nizafota naye lo mntu relax wayizongena ku booth wahlala kwathi ko post bayinkosi manje belise blue house hayi ndiyazi
aphina wasesinisini
wakhala zibounce abafoni nasiyazi noba sesearch bani ngoku siyeke bani
make kusetshwa kaloku
hayi kuyanyanzelekile chomi yam for safety yabantu search akwasetshwa even kwa performance yakhe lamhlanje it was too much I feel like number 1 event like even like in the host number 1 and number 2 ile yangefo le ka 4 October number 2 too much event
I always say Blue House from a viewer's perspective ixesha layo to shine it's during holiday
it's
June
Yansil
and December I've never experienced December in one night. That was the 4th of October. Yabona kumhlophe phandle naqova
sagodka ngo8 boy
ngokusam. I don't know I feel not caught the 4th of October.
My highlight because go yonke lonto chomam I was sober. Chomzam.
Let me excited leyo ke ka.
Why sober?
Gone. Masambe.
Choma qayile
Masambe.
Thwela abantwana
promise nandikho mna
Yobazito uyayasilanda wakuyo ba
bana bayixayo MC ayifani na not when
no producer
akathethi ngam
azazi waziyephi chomzam
kama interview bengenze
Central unguye no MC noba yenzekani londo
and understand banzike what time
iphone zabo zichajiwe kulanda chomi yabo save grace
there's the situation benikuyes ezintwana zami
awungenokonwabe kodwa kule event
it was too much
hayi chomi yaqonda ugodka kokwena ekseni like ulibona ilanga
kodwa yini
jonga umama wothuka wathi Hayi, uthi bendiyile ngo6 eromini yakho sisi.
Awukho.
Uthi ndaphinda ndaya ngo7. Awukho.
Lento ndikhawulenza ngoDecember bethu.
Asigodu kulo December guys ninike warning.
Bianca,
hayi ndagoduka.
lento ndikhawulenza ndifuna nje ukrobe ndithi macetheni. Ikrobe ndikayo ayikho incethe ngamathi.
Thank you.
Phino buyela. Asane lapha kulo December guys.
Hayi ndagoduka.
Awubuza khona indika ngayo kodwa andicetheke namanzi.
Ilento ndithi eyona mini ndizixele ngayo that I'll get sloshed as the 31st. Mandingene ku26 dingazazi negama.
Jonga, Bianca, I remember 31st last year. Sekuseni man, I think kupho edit ngoba bafondini if ngobubomi sezikhethele
Thathe into endala ucheck. Ndalahlwa ngala 31st. Yathi fika i1st ka January. So andisenamntu uthomam.
You still single. Hey, but ke 31st guys cala unixelele ba ndiplanile mina. Ungathi Miss B andanalong balongo.
Simka early ngala 31st.
Afuna ndiqale ndojela abantu basekhaya kaloku. It's my tradition. Ndiqale ndibraye phango 9. Ndibraye ifamily yami.
9
Then 9 wasebusuku. Andileqindo eGroove betnana ndizaniphuza nama ndifitini bandile ndifike eGroove.
Imani into aniphuzisayo yintoni?
Akho Groove ngakho umuntu uphuzayo. Iwasifamily 12. Wasifamily amnasho ndiqhelele uphuzo.
Fika nabanye mina bemanzi.
Thatha lo mazi.
The fuck?
Thatha lo mazi.
No.
Mekambizi.
No. Asawazi. Nah.
Bizi.
Also ukhona.
Yeah, icacile.
But ke into endiyaziyo zawufika pha nise ndifike ndifresh ndise Clandy 1 nami ndinijoin. Nezawuthe bethu 12. Uyabona last time nano Jackie no Pino sathi sisapha apha ngasemozidwebe sapha sisichoose tongue. Imagine asikaye kungona siyayo.
Anafika late
Aya sawazi.
Kungona siyayo thina isithonga
guys why?
Anaphosa into ezininzi.
Sa catch up guys.
Makabethe la 12 ndinxilile bethu nayo.
Sa catch up guys egqibeleni that's the
Ndingazazi
point.
negama.
Endiphana kula ntende uvela ufike ube ngathi kudala uphana 30 minutes ininzi.
Ndendeni straight gqoba sabona ikona isinohlala kwesaphola.
Yeah.
Sasahlala sonwa.
Otherwise, sorry mahlala.
Otherwise
Mr. Frank.
Hayi maje ngicela uyathwele qala.
Run like
Except Bafethu, don't forget to book your favorite MC, your promoter, your presenter, your performer at your event, and let's make your event a success at Jaguar Entertainment. Don't forget to like the video, don't forget to subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Dango. Mr. Frank, as event organizer, like man. Oh, as I was saying, Uti, we've talked about events, successful and and. So can you tell me, Guti, what are the challenges are you facing as event organizer, especially you Groove?
That is a check now. Besides ungalandeli theme.
Yeah.
Number 1 ibhlungu la nto thomi yami engxaki yabo because basically uzabiza I photographer.
yeah.
Take pictures. Yabo kokufike 20% abantu abanxiba black kwezi pictures u80 banxiba into ezipink. So umuntu ongaphandle ebefuna ubona babe kunjani kule event yakho kodwa lazokwazi uattenda afike kugcwala abantu abanento ezipink but itheme kuthiwa all black. Yabo.
Yeah.
Then yesibini bane artists ezifika late. Yabo. Because enye ndi end up paying a perform no perform yala bedimba yazazi.
Yo.
Ebe ifuma time slot bra. Before 6 noba kuthiwa ucinyile ifoni ngakanani na usuka bedimbaza ifuma time slot 5-6 pm because umzekelo ngo9 funeka ndivuke evula iblouse.
Yeah.
11 kanye 10-11 yafika indende funeke ndibe pha endendeni. So anzokwazi soloko ndisefonini and ezinye artists umzekelo umuntu akazazi nobuza phuma nini le ndawo asoka kuyo. So anikwazi ukwenza i-time slot umzekelo ndikubeke ngo7 kanti awuzukwazi ufika ngala 7. So funeka ngicela ngiqonde bafonini wena ucomfortable udlala ngabantu xesha then wenza i-time slot olohlobo ngokwenza kuthumela i-time slot ngo6 ba ngo10 kanye 12 uyaperforma ufike 12:30.
Damn it.
Usele 1.
Yeah.
2 ufike late like
or being late already is like the major turn off.
Yeah, being
because
late.
It shows that you're not serious about like basically. Besides not taking seriously your time, it shows by yena craft yakhe. Like khathalelanga kada msebenzi nayo. And then being drunk is the bonus. Bye bondini. Kuba late undiqala kakubuza unxelile uthi man nukusumphanda wakho ke ngoku.
Ngaphandle kwalondo umoshi time slot ngalando.
Yeah, because kaloku ufuna
kumntu ozawudlala batsho mam lo movie share man 30 minutes kule way yakho. Lo mntana mazi nobule qaphi umzekelo. Ngokufuneka iphinde itsale enye 30 minutes kulele.
Set yakhe.
Nomnye balandele emva ko. Imoshakela lo lahlobo once utshintsha amaxesha. Yabo.
And trust me, I know because I know one thing about time as a previous event planner but cannot groove.
Yeah.
The time slot is very important and people who like report back but I'm going to be available ngexesha uzoplan ixesha la once ixesha lakho ngokuli angabikho lo mntu now you have to ba mhlawumbe usabantwana early stage okanye ungayena ba sisipitha nyongo sento
olobe nenezo tsho mama konde ngase ukukhawuleza ukusinguko abantu
yonke le
engase ndithi vule kamhlaba ndingene dibhubhe ndibashiye apha bona because I can't handle this ndedwa. So yeah
otherwise Mr. Frank as an organizer and a DJ, what do you think a groove yes like Picasso needs?
Idinga
shoda ngantoni
khona into shota nayo
ikhona man check ininzi from icala lethu naba DJ sebenza ngayo thina yabo there's a certain upgrade efuneka siyenzile because umzekelo ngoku into ephambili kwi groove content yabo so there are certain changes thina kufuneka sizenzile siyazazi thina sesidiscussile yabo so upgrade cho mam into efunekayo
okay
thank you Mr. Frank. Thank you Mr. Frank. Utandika Mr. Jack.
Undiphendu. Ngeba utsho. Mr. Jack. Undiphendu. Khaka zotsho.
Over to you Miss Bianca.
Apha ke qala ngusis Mercy. Umuntu
Miss Problematic.
the queen of highlights.
Shut up. Into problematic namhlanje niyadibona mas.
Utheni ubambe intshilo mntanami. Zintshilo bubunewu. Yes, zintulo.
Wanje iqhemnyama bethuna.
Uzili
for bani?
Your past relationship. Oh.
Yes, the all black, yeah.
You know? So Abba, we have a game. It's called Truth or Dare. I think every viewer knows how to play Truth or Dare. Right?
Yeah.
So every cast member Abba is getting a truth or a dare.
Na lie. Natina.
Look, it's only fair if all of us play.
Choose those. Bensiya boy ngcwele.
I said I think I sound. How mama so that's the rules of the game, Abane. With this game is played with a twist. Kwenzela wonke umuntu anga avoid anything. I'm tired of people avoiding days. We are getting a dare whether you like it or not. Me? So Abba, I have one truth, one dare for each and every person. All right?
Oh my god.
So as
Tola check.
As a person on Emenas,
yes.
I say gentleman first.
I
What? Why not? Because I'm a lady.
So chicken didn't go
not ladies first. So
oh my god.
I'm gonna start with iqiniso.
Okay.
You know?
Siqala ngoJack.
Gentleman first.
When I joined I shake.
Why you shake?
And yes.
Okay.
Andiba namaqiniso.
As the host, I'm not playing. So okay, because I'm not allowed to pick my own question. So someone here is going, I feel like in the okay. Mr. Jack, the game has started. So we're starting with the truth, as we've stated, and then we're gonna finish off with the day. Yeah.
Imagine, I have a question though.
Yawa.
If I cannot,
Yawa.
If I got phone has the truth,
then he gets 2 days.
Damn, the fuck. Yo, okay.
If you don't want a truth, 2 days. Because kaloku awufuna usizawuwait then 2 days.
Yes.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Asinayo ixesha laloo nto ne.
Oh my.
Mr. Jack.
Hello.
Akho ndidiphu Jomam because I know you and you Abirus.
Asimazi thina.
Animazi ne? Oh ingxaki mina ke ngoku
Sifuna umazi.
ndicenge ubutshomi ke mina ke because
sicenge.
sendilahlile so ngisafuna uzicengezela angamsanilahla completely. Okay, Mr. Jack, who is the last person you creeped up on social media?
Meaning stalked.
Yes.
Mchabani.
Yeah, Chabu phone.
Lahlekele imemo.
Ichobethi vula phone.
No, I'm talking about him.
Those are just the questions that are in front of me.
No, I'm talking about.
Awustalkbantu?
Ukukhangela ntoni?
Ngokukhangela ntoni Jom?
There's such a look at the look I am. But I'm stuck one.
You don't stalk anyone.
No.
Okay. So that's your truth.
Yeah. That's
Okay.
My truth.
I believe this guy.
I don't believe you.
I don't believe this guy.
I don't believe you.
Ayikho into enjalo.
Okay.
As a human being ayikho into enjalo nje.
But asokwazi noyibonisa history yakhe because kaloku mhlambe lo muntu amstokhayo uyakwazi uyidelete ku Facebook musinayo la extra avela isuse so asizoya noba
Noma kudala isusile.
Noma kudala isusile.
Ujonga nefoni ngeke
Ujonge.
And I know and such.
Okay ke Mr. Jack ne.
Hi.
Ndizakubuza. Izokudinga. Mhlambe ngizakunika no chance yoba uniphendule kahle ke ngokunika question. Have you ever flirted with a close friend's sibling? Like mhlambe close friend yakho mhlambe uSongo had a sister. Have you ever flirted with a close friend's sibling?
No, yes. Yes, cousin Kasange. Back then.
Sange. Kaba.
Makavele.
Yini jambasu.
Mhlawumbe abanana phika ngokani mas. So.
Bawuyaphikeka nawe.
Basathetha. Basathetha.
Okay, Dad qolisekile ke ngoku. I put you in the hot seat. Nathan, what unexpected part of the body do you find attractive?
Oh my word.
No, not kuwe. On another person. Could be a significant other, a crush potential. Come on, we're on a talking stage.
Hi, wena.
Yes, not really.
100.
Ingxaki. Yeke Jomam. Bachithe lo manzi yeke.
Ayikho le nkukhu.
Makasose yeka.
Ayikho le nkukhu.
Dalo ileqa.
What unexpected body part of the body do you find attractive?
Oh my word.
If been this right, must boobs.
Oh.
But okay.
Unexpected boobs.
So
But kubu ngumjida kaloku you like
he
boobs.
was
Oh.
If he was straight.
if he was straight.
But he's a wet noodle.
Yeah. Ay bo. Ay.
Okay.
Uthi umbuzo akayithuka.
Kaloku khanga uphele lokuqala kangasixolise kulokuqala of which usena iday yakhe relax.
So after let's songena ku desk.
What would you ever date a friend's ex if they gave you a permission?
Sure.
Masita awuchadanga ngoku so you have to answer truthfully.
Sure.
Would you date a friend's ex if they gave you permission? Andizokubuza ke ngoku and who? Andizotsho. But khona and who?
Yebo. Abantu bafuna ukubona into enhle. Azogoya nokuya ngamabomu. Yeah, Jomam, ndingayenza lo nto.
Yeah, I know.
If ndinikwe nguyi-permission.
Umji.
Itsho mos i-question. Ewe.
Plus
And umbono ugel ba hosh karamayimi. Hayi.
Yo.
Hayi nawe sema.
Zange.
Okay.
And I would never.
okay sino.
Thank
It's
you.
not a bad thing, true.
Right, man says.
Messi okay.
But
Hey,
Bianca, moving forward.
Ngxamele ndingxaki yakho Tom. Hayi. Mercy.
Hayi.
Have you ever kissed someone you weren't supposed to?
Yes.
When?
Hayi.
When?
Is it a recent thing?
When?
Is
Is it recent?
an old thing?
Do you want to confess something to the podcast? How so?
I think you've answered my question. Thank you, Miss Mercy.
Dependent on. Oh my God, why inbuza lanto?
Right,
sorry.
check.
Okay,
Masazi,
Bianca.
ngigcwele ukufa.
What's the riskiest text you've ever sent?
Sure.
Salama siqale phela.
Correct. Yo.
Dum.
Qala ufumana amanzi.
Yo.
Good idea.
Yendilindile le text.
Abakulindele nala mama.
Sorry,
Disappointed.
So uzanini ekhaya?
Yo. Okay, no further questions, my lord. No further questions, my lord.
Babe sibusine truths ezimbini yazi. Nedeke.
Niyazithetha into ezingafuni maziyathetwa nina.
Uzanini ekhaya.
Uzanini ekhaya guys.
Damn.
It was long.
Yokudala ngoko.
Dakudala ngoko before nchate. Chatile ngoko. And in fact I was sending it to the person in chat and I for your information.
Kasablash.
Wala mehlo. Ayikhangela le mistake.
Moving forward.
Okay. Oh, it is alapha as call.
Ahlobo.
Man, as
Ah,
call.
Tom ungazenzi into ezirong thina.
As call
Singabantwana
chuti like
Sabantwana besicawa.
like jonga like play a guitar for 1 minute. Really now.
Asinasigitha thina. Igitha mibhotile.
Ikhona manje into bendiyibonile apha. Yes. Okay. Ide ka Jack apha ithi.
Yo. Kangayicingi.
Hayibo.
Besikuwe.
Dima.
Yo.
Call a random number and try to have a 1 minute okay, so 30-second conversation with whoever answers.
Yo.
Ikhona random number.
Yo. Ukhahlekela uqhama.
Andibuzwe ngaphi manje umbuzo.
Agetho.
Okay, so
Right uphala mbuzo.
Phone
Right.
Is a number. Uza phone is Nathan. Try to have
Get
a
number,
30
Nathan.
second. 30 seconds, just 30
Your
seconds.
number ikunathan.
Get number Nathan.
Oh my fucking word. Oh my god. Ithom zakho ke wena.
Unceda waza kumlo mbuzo. Sendiyazi banza ufoniswa abantu.
yazi ngoku mna zofuna lapha.
Yo, kodwa ke. Utsala ntoni?
Utsiki uyakutsala.
Ngiyatsofa ke.
Ingasifaka ku loudspeaker so there's
Loudspeaker
mic.
sifunuva.
So there's a mic in.
Simba.
Kimang or
Bakalala lo mntana wase.
Beke mic.
Kalala.
Yo.
He knew he fucked up.
that's at the moment.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Utela no Jack.
Yeah. Hello.
Unjani?
Hello.
Right now andiyazi ayinamba yakho ndilahlile manje efonini yami. Ngikwazi ukuthetha lapha kuqoleni kokuqhama.
Ngifona lo.
Yeah.
Okay, to come with me.
Okay, nkosi. Sure.
That's
30 seconds.
So phone lonto.
Phone la lo.
Uyazi internet.
Ufonela lonto.
uvela mbuzo uzobofunela lo
Ufonela lonto.
Hey.
Hey.
Yo.
Nathan,
Yo.
hand over your phone to another player who
Yo.
can send a single text saying anything they want to
yeah, go
anyone they
Apple.
want.
Please, Nathan. Your phone.
and angayifumani phone akuzawudelete
Nathan kumba kwakhe. Oh, ilipia.
Nathan, please, I hope whatever.
wenza njani
Thank you for
WhatsApp block.
Each one to hand over your phone to another player who can send a single text saying anything they want to anyone they
You
want.
take you.
That's your
nikezela
thing.
ifoni
Nikeza ifoni.
Thank you, Mr.
Manje ngihleka because Bianca ndimazi ngibethele ntoni.
Kuko ohat abaninzi apha.
Khangela uApple.
Number 1.
uApple ngibani pha?
Okay.
Asokwazi ulireveal igama lakho.
Number 1 Lloyd kodwa.
Yo.
Kimang Lloyd.
Kimang Lloyd. Lo aku talking stage na.
yayo twin stage sendela yona Jack
Sengela yona.
Yo.
Uthi
Hayi
ubahla
bo.
no.
now
Ke ubahla khona no.
Yo.
Ke uhenetsi khona no.
say
Unfortunately.
dangerous le game ndiza
Ewe, because we can't see into and you can't screenshot because
My number.
wow.
Into ngokuma handsome.
Yo. Hey.
So we're talking about zakho style baje ixesha.
Bangaba abantu bakho.
Look, I have to. Unlucky.
Ixesha tata.
You don't have time.
Okay. So you didn't message anything type.
Whatever message of only type away to anyone you want.
No way.
But uthi hey handsome. Hey stranger.
message right Jack message nesiqo
Uthi ke ubahla khona.
now ufonisiwe boy
In the end, ndaphoxwa. Eish.
ufonela londo but ukuncedile ukufumana la number yabo
Ufumene number ngo.
Andina inumber yakhe. But yo manga
So
senze.
ki hona. Hey my broer.
Trauma. Shed lotion.
Oh, hey wena my broer. Ki nari. Kama wam.
Njenga depend le thing.
Hey ayipheli
Okay,
le
so
type.
go hey handsome. I think I love you.
Hey handsome.
Kubhalwe alizwe
Kubani?
with the heart.
So na wena. Kimang ewo. Uthi you.
yeah
Bani?
The things we do for a podcast.
Next question.
Uthi oh uyena do right. I think I love you.
Yenza next question Bianca nakamqhuba mayingeni message.
Let the other player go through your phone for 30 seconds.
Mr. Frank.
Yo.
Yo. Ayini ayam le message.
Hayibo.
sime data like data
Like that.
khona benembhaqeli
Hayi, yahambisa ngefoni. Singalibele. Yahambisa ngefoni wena. 30
Okay.
seconds.
Yo my phone. Mani my hotspot amakana data.
Chomi. Nansi hotspot fast.
Yo.
Chomi, delightfully hotspot.
Yo.
Please connect.
Hayi.
Mr. Frank amunix number.
Fabulous honeybee. You should see it. Hambisa ngefoni wena.
I'm not a phone Mr. Frank.
Brokwe pambilo.
Captain
12. Small letters then being 12.
Jonga. Yo.
Jonga. Whatever.
yabaleka
Oh. Jinga.
yo uyazwana ngoba ngubani
But I thought
but ufike njani wena apho
wait, I thought Nago.
Hey.
busy you thought ngubani
Chomi,
like tell camera
ndizibona kwezi check.
30 seconds.
Yiba. Okay. Imaki. Masana.
you thought ngoba ubani
Alafu mosomameli the ends.
hayi siku podcast awusofihla
Ngisazi, I thought nguye kodwa.
hayi chomi yami leya
Oh, why ekhweleta ke ngoku?
Why ekhweleta?
kholetela nto
Kuba wena.
But I
Hey.
no, never mind.
yandilahla ngo
Ngokhweleta.
That's a story for another day though.
Saxelela Chomi. Yo,
Yo Mr. Frank.
you have 6 seconds. 4, 3, 2,
1 safoni yami
Stress anazo.
time up.
yo
Ayakufona akaphendula kwathwana.
Akaphendula qhoma.
Akaphenduli.
Andiyazi le nto.
Yanga uthi nyani.
Yo, Zendo says not Jackie.
Yanga kuthona ndiphi lokho.
Okay, ndibuza usino.
Yima.
Zabe ngidesho nethu. Hayi ni guys asomenza next book. Makati.
Okay, nazi.
Yo.
Kozibhetela. Ngiyadala nobe ndiyibona.
Ngijamisa mina mqamelo.
yes
Yima.
Azodez man.
Zidez.
yabo kawuloyal like
Nabo. Imibuzo lesi.
Oh, hamba yezansi.
akhonde wrong wa
Ingxaki Zendo yikise zonto zibalo yawo.
but wena lento uyithethileyo ndisibuza imibuzo emininzi ngo
Sakubalisela John.
Sakubalisela yimalo.
Seyizawuphela episode.
Okay,
Jack.
I'm still loading.
Solo do.
abaqala ngoyu khona ingxaki
Zendo yikise into zibalo pha. Yo.
Hayi ngikujack xiza bandimi.
Uthi yo.
ngene kwangamna le phone
I is the break.
ithini lento
I go open chat.
ufundayo
It days nazi are-rated days, so yabo
Okay,
uzoqala
okay.
ukhethe wena unayo to uyibizele thina. Yo.
Touch yourself.
Bendike.
Hi. Show me the last London you watched. Yo.
ndifuna yona
Ufuna bani?
iza kuye ne
Yeah.
ithile way
Thetha Tom. Ixesha.
it is show me the last porn video you watched
I've never watched porn. I've never. So honestly.
also sikhangele enye mos singena phone
Khangelenye since ngena phone.
No, serious. Benza ukhangela ndincami.
Hayi kaloku sibhasikelo komzuzu sesingana phone akame khangelo enye.
Okay.
Asikayi.
you are
The extreme.
Extreme.
The extreme.
Baby.
ngaba show me ingxaki
Kudala nami ndizama ukhetha ezibhetere kunezinye. Hey, asa.
Yangajonga ndikelo.
Ndiyoyike.
That's too much. That's too much.
Why is that too much ndimi?
Okay.
Is that check? Is that check?
Sino.
Is that check?
I dare you to look. Ikhona ifumana?
tata yozinzima ezilana you
Kude kupasa lona.
uzaphelezwa ngomtshato
Ndiyayithanda mna number 15.
Uthini number
Put
15?
on a timer and act out as many sex positions. With your clothes on. With your clothes on. Yeah. With your clothes on.
Yo. As extreme.
Yimani. Hayi clinton izanetha le.
Ixesha ntombi.
Ngifuna ukwenza ijeka kwenzeka ntoni?
Uthini Jack wena kula khona?
Okay, job number 9. Demonstrate your best orals.
Okay, man. Sino.
Uthini
I
Jack?
dare you to tell the camera what you did last Saturday.
Oh.
That's the final
I
day.
know what you did last Friday in a movie.
Last day.
Ngichocho.
That's the last
Okay,
one.
guys.
Tell the camera.
Yo.
Into zenzayo wena.
Chomi zami. Yo.
Ngathi orange couch.
Yo. Okay guys, yo. Agoda Jackie.
Hey.
Yours.
Okay, Chomi ndi. Yo. I kissed a guy, guys. In front of every fucking one. In front of my ex though. Wathwala izandla enhloko.
Exes zakho.
Zombini, zathwala izandla enhloko.
Enye yahamba.
Enye yahamba yachiseka yathi azozibukela ekaka yini.
Enye yahlala yabukela yagqiba.
Aba yahamba.
And I was an eyewitness account to that.
Yeah.
Tabizwa amagama
No, ingxaki yabazi.
Exes. One of them was at the funeral with us.
Akhanga bekungekho yena. Shut up.
Hi, I think it's Ivile look my king.
Ivile Tommy.
Ivile no?
But why? Uzongithethisa.
Sorry.
Oh,
But
But hayi bo uyayazi nje
uyibonile ya. And it's shame.
enye ke
Yeah.
sizokwazi uyibizelwa ayichomi yethu leyana.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's what happened Saturday.
But kodwa Jack into
Jack.
endiyenza.
Mr. Jack,
Thank you.
for me
Hey,
sizobala
I-
sizogoduka. Abahlali sebevile.
Okay. I think ANF friendly aba and ifuna go trade your clothes with not now. With one of the cast members, a piece of your clothes with the cast member.
Why are you looking at me?
Kulo noba ngumnqwazi at least.
Not ngoza ayikalo wasidlala.
Guys, I'm still working on my 6-pack, so I don't want to reveal.
So
I have to
afuna
reveal.
cacela kafuna.
So tell me why is in a desert Z1?
Kama lech.
But you are wrong with it desert.
Then uzawufumana 555 for umuntu ohlelapha.
Huh?
Kaloba uyenzi.
Like I'm not wearing anything.
Sino? Uza ko kaloku Bianca.
So mna nami ndikhulule ke ngoku into ndifuna uyikhulula.
Sino sihlali apha.
Dlala apha.
From the gym.
Hey.
Hayi.
Hey.
Hayi.
Ndika bani?
Ulika mna.
Nuku Bianca la.
Ukhalele ibrokwe. Usabuye ibrokwe zadoni? Benzala yena.
Yena
I
sino.
feel warm.
So manthini?
Asigqibe.
Asigqibanga kodwa.
Thank you so much, Mr.
Esha.
Frankman.
Thank you, Mr. Frank.
Thank you, Mr. Frankman, for ukuza,
Hey,
for honoring the invite and
Hayi, thona ndizinto bandifake nje.
okay.
Yeah.
Famous question.
Sakhona famous questions.
Ekhona famous question yethu ethi Mr. Frank Ngoku, right? SA, we know you.
Yeah.
But when you make it to the top, what would you like people to know about you? Bangayothuki.
Also young.
Xa ungasoyanga upha phezulu.
Yes, man.
Abantu bangothuki. because- I mean, what would you like people to know about you? Besides that you're an Oscar Mbio influenced and all of that, we know. We already know. So, what is that one thing, Qonba, Jonga, when I'm at the top?
Ngase Mrs. Arams yazi.
Ingasaziyazi aramba
Andina xesha le.
Anzomana xesha lena, anzoniwa yanzothena.
ewe ezinjalo.
Xa eseniphane.
Yeah.
Andizozilahla zonke iitshomi zam.
You?
Chom zakhe.
Like yewe.
Chom zakhe. Kuthatha umuntu ongenatshomi ke apha yolo nto relate.
Ziyazazi iitshomi zam enginozilahla but zilahla iitshomi zam.
Yeah.
Or as Qonba.
Yeah, bye.
Minus one from
Yeah.
Sure.
Okay.
Sure, but that's the very brutal way to put it.
Azilahla zonke.
Let's
Hayi
say iitshomi not family members. Bakhona balahle family members fundini.
And xa zilahleka family members sithini ke guys? Xa zilahleka ziyalahleka makalahleke.
Yabo.
Khathi ngumdala so brother, sister katata kwathini.
Nawuyintoni?
Khalabon base.
Sure.
Otherwise, thank you, Mr. Frankman.
Thank you
Hey.
for gracing us with your
With your
presence.
prayer.
You know, we appreciate that you took your time and came to see us namhlanje
Yeah.
because yeah, kudala sikubiza. Honestly.
No, ayisana kokunoba
Kuvulula.
Hayi kunini.
Beni busy man guys yo.
Wow.
Abona ngoku
No.
kunyanzelekile ba.
No, no.
Ayo free time wasengibizwa nango.
Mabame. No nomtshato wakho mawume ngoku.
Umtshato ngenaphi?
Bizo umtshatweni wakhe
Hey.
kaloku. Lo mtshato wakhe lo.
Yo,
But ke siyadlala. Siyagoduka ngoku.
Yes.
Miss Mercy.
Yes,
Miss-
babe.
Yo, did you miss?
Nathan.
Mr. Top Dog.
The top down.
Mr. Jack in the background, Mr. Bambino as your producer, as you all know, and Mr. Frank, Miss B. Siyagoduka ngoku sithi like, comment, subscribe,
Shout out to
share.
Unzaido.
Shout out to Umfura nomthokozisi Unsiki, Umbaqanga there by the corner nombheka phesheya wakhe. And yeah, we hope that you will comment constructive comments and
Yeah.
like and really subscribe because we are sitting on 330 something subscribers. And thank you to those who have stuck with us throughout this journey. Asithathe light Londo. And yeah, man, from me and the Culture Convo podcast, we say
Pray, believe, and live.
Dank.
Danko.